Academy. Let's crack it. Subscribe, like, and share. Top 6 benefits of attempting IBPS clerk prelim mock test. Nowadays, the competition level has been increased and candidates need to be the best in order to secure a seat in the IBPS clerk prelim examination. The most important thing to do as per the exam preparation is attempting an IBPS clerk pre-mock test. It helps the candidates in acing the topics and provide a practice before appearing for the exam. Attempting IBPS clerk mock test also boosts the confidence level of the candidates. The candidates can learn from their mistakes and build a strategy for the upcoming examination. Attempting mock tests before appearing for the IBPS clerk pre-exam will help the candidates analyze their strong as well as their weaker section. It will also make the candidates habitual as per the exam pattern. The candidates, along with their dedication and perseverance, will help them clear the exam and move on the mains round. IBPS clerk prelim exam pattern. The pre-exam is the first stage of the selection process and is qualifying in nature. It is conducted in computer-based test mode. As per the official notification, the pre-exam of the IBPS clerk, there will be three subjects in the examination, namely English language, reasoning ability, and quantitative aptitude. All the subjects of the pre-exam will account for 100 marks with section timing of 20 minutes for each subject. As per the marking scheme, 1 mark will be provided to every correct answer, while there will be a deduction of 0.25 marks for each wrong answer marked by the candidate. Section English language, reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude. Number of questions 13, 35, 35. Total number of questions 100. Maximum marks 13, 35, 35. Total maximum marks 100. Medium of exam English and Hindi. Duration of exam total 60 minutes. 1 hour duration of exam. Top 6 benefits of attempting IBPS clerk prelim mock test. Duration of exam 20 minutes. 20 minutes. First, helps in devising preparation strategy. Attempting IBPS clerk prelim mock test are the best strategy to prepare for the IBPS clerk examination. The candidates will be able to know their capability and start their preparation accordingly. The candidates can plan a study table for all the subjects and grant more time to the weaker topics through this. Candidates will be able to cover all the topics by the exam time, and at the closing time they will be required to polish everything they have learned inside a preparation level. One of the one of the top benefits of attempting a IBPS clerk prelim mock test helps the candidates know where they stand as per their preparation level. This helps the candidates to know where they are lagging behind. The candidates can learn from their mistakes and follow the solution and strategy of the mock test, as the mock tests of every website are made by the experienced faculty. They show the correct approach of the dealing with the question. Third, provides approach for the question. The IBPS clerk pre-exam will have section timing in it. The basic strategy will consume more time and the candidates will not be able to answer all the questions. Only the candidates with the smartest approach will be able to solve all questions and clear the examination. Fourth, performance analysis. Fifth, help helps with time management. And sixth, improves accuracy speed. The question from the quantitative aptitude or the reasoning ability requires skills and tricks of solving question with minimum time. Performance analysis. No one can learn anything if they do not analyze their performance. The candidates will only be able to know their weaker and stronger section when they analyze them.